জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
I also want to see how she'll be able to stop it.
Nayan will stop it herself. No, you... how can you be so sure?
I am your shadow, your protective shield. Without killing me, nobody can kill you.
If she doesn't stay here, how will she protect me like Goddess Kali the Savior? In order to protect me, she will have to stay here at any cost. And she will stay.
Didn't I tell you to leave? You're still standing here? Come!
We couldn't drive you out of this house after trying for so long. Now you are in a tigress's hands. Now you will have to leave.
She won't go so easily, Durba. Drag her by the neck. Enough is enough. I'm driving you out of this house today. Don't you dare set your foot in this house again, you understand? Come on, get out! Get out of here! Get out! Stop!
What do you think? Do you think I'll let this wedding happen if you drive me out of this house? Don't forget that I still haven't divorced him. I can call the police and stop this wedding right now. Shall I? Shall I call the police? Shall I?
You're looking like the real Goddess Kali.
Fantastic. Just nailed it, Nayan. Awesome. Very good.
What do you mean by you haven't divorced him? You told me that you have had enough time to break up their marriage. What have you done after all? No, listen, actually, I didn't tell you.
Do you now understand that the wedding will not happen if I don't want it to? So until the wedding is over, you have to let me stay here, Aunt Durba.
Oh my lord. Huh. Now she is threatening me in a different manner. You are asking me to let you stay here until the wedding. But is there any guarantee that you won't create a problem after the wedding? You can try break up their marriage. After that, threaten us with the police. Then what?
Let the wedding happen first.
What do you mean by that?
Ripto, did you know that Nayan would handle this situation? I mean, did you know that she would stop her eviction?
I knew. I knew Nayan wouldn't leave. Leaving me unprotected. Nayan can't even die peacefully. If Lord Yama, the god of death, comes to take me, even then, I know she will defeat him too. But now the question is, if she'll be able to stop the wedding.
So you know all of this. And still you are remarrying. May I know why? From your words, I'm getting a feeling that you appreciate her.
Maybe I do. But
Yeah, but what?
did you see Goddess Kali the Savior? Can you make a family with such a goddess, tell me? Even Lord Shiva couldn't do it. To make a family, he needed Goddess Parvati. Kali the Savior has become Goddess Parvati. This has never been seen before. Let's see if it happens this time.
Jayanta,
I mean, Sudha understood everything. And she wrote everything to her father about her suspicions. That means her father knows everything. What will happen now?
No.
No one will be able to save us now.
wait. Listen to me. You can think differently, okay? Why are you assuming things without thinking?
What are you saying, Jasmine? Sudha expressed her suspicion of me in this letter. And tell me one thing. If her dad didn't read this, then how did Nayan get this letter? Tell me.
Where is it? Where did Sudha's letter go? I kept it inside the sari, but I can't remember which sari was it. When Aunt Durba was throwing my things away, did it fall in the living room or what? What if someone found it? No. Nobody should know I'm gathering evidence. Nobody should know. I have to find it before anyone gets their hands on it. I have to find it.
Listen, brother. Had Sudha's father read the letter and come to know everything, he wouldn't have been nice to you. Just think about it. Think again. He hasn't read the letter. If he had read it, you would have been in jail by now. I think Nayan got this letter from somewhere else, you know.
Jasmine, I can solve the puzzle now. There's great danger. A great danger is awaiting us, Jasmine.
What do you mean? What puzzle are you talking about?
Meaning, Nayan went out that day. Do you know where she had gone? Sudha's father's place. With those discarded flowers.
What?
Yes. I found everything. Do you know what she told her dad? To examine the scent of those flowers. That means Nayan has understood that the flowers Sudha mentioned in this letter, saying she felt suffocated and that she could die. She understood that we are using the same flower to murder Tripto. Jasmine, I'm telling you, this girl is dangerous.
What are you saying?
Do you understand now why I'm so tensed? My initial doubt was right. She had realized that there was something in those flowers. And I took her lightly. Mistake. I made a huge mistake. Do you know what I think? I think she's waiting for the test report. Then she'll disclose the truth.
No! We can't let this happen at any cost. Nayan's mouth needs to be shut anyhow.
Yes. I have to do something.
What are you doing?
I'm destroying the evidence. I will have to destroy all the evidence we have, so that there is no clue left. Nayan is dangerous. She will destroy us if she finds out even one clue. And I won't let this happen. This evidence is now out of Nayan's reach. And now, I will have to wait for the test results. That's it. We will be safe after that.
Why are you frowning while making the holy shape?
Hey friend, what are you searching for? Hey! What happened, friend?
Don't go anywhere. Just sit. Don't put a step forward. Isn't Tripto's wedding tomorrow? Instead of calling your friend, concentrate on the arrangements. Do you see Nayan? What is she searching for since then?
Hey Nayan, what are you searching for?
Hey Nayan, didn't you hear her? What did Sanjukta ask you? What are you looking for?
How do I tell them what I'm looking for? Actually, I wrote a letter to my mother. I kept it aside to drop it in the mailbox, but I can't find it now. Listen, have any one of you seen a small folded piece of paper? Have you seen it?
Oh my, I can't make this anymore. Chowmein looks so ugly. What's the point of making this for her? I'll look for her letter instead. That is more important.
Don't act smart, Rangana. Do what Durba told you to.
Mother, she wrote that letter to her mother. I should go and look for it. Aunt Durba never wrote any letter to grandma. How will she understand the value of a letter?
Rangana, you have become very audacious.
Aha, Sanjukta. Don't shout at Rangana. She's right. It's a letter for her mother. Feel the emotions. No, Rangana. You look for the letter that Nayan wrote to her mother. Nayan can make the Shri.
I suggest you make it as you won't recognize the letter. Besides, it's not good to get up in the middle of a job.
All right, since you are saying so, I'll sit. I can't disagree with you. I always listen to you.
Wait.
What happened, Aunt?
You won't sit to make the Shri.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm a woman of my word. I already told you. You will search for the letter to Nayan's mother. Nayan will make the Shri. Right, Nayan? You consider yourself a devoted married woman. You was the one who lectured me on love and vermilion, right? Then what's the problem? Come, make the Shri.
Oh, Lotus. What is Aunt Durba saying? Will I have to do this ritual for Jasmine?
Jasmine, we will leave this house now.
What? We'll leave. But why?
We'll make the wedding arrangements from our house. We shouldn't be here for a single moment more.
Brother, listen to me. Look, we only told them to make the wedding arrangements from this house. Now if we go away, then we'll...
Why can't you understand? To twist the report of the scent of the flowers, we'll have to make a lot of arrangements, which is not possible by staying here. Nayan is monitoring everything. I don't want to listen anything. I won't stay here for another moment. I'm going to the guest room to pack my things.
Brother, listen to me. Listen to me, please. Listen. Hey! Oh.
All right, let me find the letter once, then I can...
Keep quiet. Will you decide the order of work to be done here? Do not forget, Nayan, I'm your mistress. And it's your duty to obey your mistress. Do what I am telling you to do.
Oh no. Why did I get up suddenly? Poor Nayan. Now she will have to make the Shri for Chowmein. Oh Lord, please don't make Nayan make the Shri. Please do something, Lord, please.
What happened, Nayan? It seems from your words that you are aware of your duties. Isn't it a part of your duty to obey your master? Tell me, Nayan.
What is this? This is Jasmine's voice. Why is she screaming? Nayan! What is this? You dropped it! Stop, Nayan!
I can't stop now. Miss Jasmine is in great trouble.
Nayan, now!
Fire! Fire! Someone please help!
Wait, Jasmine ma'am, wait.